A lot of YouTube experts or YouTube gurus will tell you that the right way to grow your YouTube channel is by posting YouTube shorts. Listen, if you're a YouTube beginner and you want to earn a living from your YouTube channel, I would advise you to watch this video because I'm going to be revealing why you should not be posting YouTube shorts as a YouTube beginner. So make sure you stick around till the end so that you can learn something today. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, welcome to my channel. And if you want to grow the YouTube channel with me, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. So let's talk about the topic that we have for today. I'm going to explain exactly how YouTube shorts can hurt your YouTube channel. So if you're a small YouTuber, if you're a YouTube beginner, I would advise you to watch and understand this video. So why did YouTube invent YouTube shorts? First of all, you need to know that Google is the largest search engine in the world. It is the first largest search engine in the world. And the second largest search engine in the world is YouTube. So, YouTube is a video sharing platform where people can go search for the videos they want to watch and watch the video. So later on, TikTok was introduced, and when TikTok was introduced, everybody flooded into TikTok. Everybody was watching TikToks. Why were they watching TikTok? Because TikTok videos are short, like maybe a minute long or even 30 seconds long. They are short and they hit the point, like they go straight to the point in every video. It's not like YouTube videos that they are mostly long form content, 5 minute long, 10-minute long, 20 to an hour long. But TikTok is just different. That was why people just flooded into TikTok. So TikTok was about to take over as the second largest search engine in the world. Then YouTube decided to create YouTube shorts. YouTube invented YouTube shorts, where you can post short videos, maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute long videos, and people will watch it. That was why YouTube created YouTube shorts. They created it so that nobody will steal their crown as the second largest search engine in the world. YouTube Shorts on its own have its own app, just like the way you have YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, YouTube Studio and all that. YouTube Shorts have its own app. Like you can go to Play Store or like Google Store and search for YouTube Shorts and download the app. In YouTube Shorts, they only post short content there, like YouTube Shorts content. You can never find a long form video in YouTube Shorts app. So the people that usually download YouTube Shorts are people that are interested in YouTube Shorts. They have no business with long form content. I want you to understand this. So how can YouTube Shorts hurt your channel? How can it hurt your channel as a small beginner? I'm going to explain. Just calm down. So for example now, if you're a small beginner, you created a YouTube channel and you're posting long form content, then your YouTube gurus now told you that if you want to grow your channel, that you need to be uploading YouTube shorts, that you're going to have subscribers and views and all that. So you heeded their advice and you started posting YouTube shorts. Yes, you're going to get subscribers, you're going to get views, but the moment you switch back to long form content, those subscribers and the views you got from your short will be useless because they will not watch your long form content. The people that subscribe to your channel through short are mostly interested in your YouTube shorts. So even if you post a short video from your long form content and you ask people to click the link and that they'll be transferred to watch the long form content, they will not do it because they are interested in shorts. And another thing is, once you're posting shorts and if you fail to gain their attention in the first 5 seconds or 10 seconds, they're going to swipe and that short will not be watched. So you need to understand this as a small beginner. I've seen so many YouTube shorts channel, like YouTube channels that post shorts that if you go to their channel and check their long form content, they won't be getting views. You can see a YouTube channel that posts shorts and you would see that they'll be getting millions of views, millions of views, 10 million views, 100 million views, 200 and something million views. But if you check their long form content, you're going to be seeing something like 700 views, 1k views, 2k views. Do you get? So it shows that if you're posting shorts, your long form content will not be watched. And posting shorts, if you're serious, if you want to earn a living, if you want to make money, you're sure that you want to make money from YouTube, I would advise you not to post YouTube shorts because YouTube shorts will not give you that kind of revenue you're looking for. If you want that kind of revenue, then you have to switch to long form content. So to prove what I'm saying, I want you to just go by yourself, check out all those channels posting short form content, like short videos. Check their shorts. You're going to see that they're getting views from their short, lots and lots of views, and their subscribers are usually in millions. then I want you to go check their long form content. Then when you check their long form content, you're going to see that the views they get from their long form content is usually very, very low compared to the one they have in their shorts. And imagine if they have that kind of views in their long form content. Like imagine they're getting 10 million views, 200 million views in their long form content. Those people will be YouTube millionaires. So what I'm going to advise you to do is to create 2 YouTube channels. Create 2 YouTube channels. You're going to use the first channel to be posting long form content, and you're going to use the second one to be posting short form content. You cannot be posting shorts and long form content in one channel. Like I made this mistake. If you even check my channel and check my shorts, you're going to see that I'm posting shorts too. But this was the mistake I made when I started newly. Like when I newly opened my channel, the first month I opened, I was posting both shorts and long form content. But now I've learned my lesson, and I cannot delete it, because once you delete it, the views, like it will affect your views. So the thing I will just do is to unlist it. That's the truth. So I would advise you to create 2 YouTube channels where you'll be posting your shorts and your long form content. Then again, if you want to focus only on shorts, then just be posting shorts and forget about the long form content. But if you want to be posting long form content, you can be posting long form content and forget about your short form content. Then when you're doing it, you see your channel will blow up. If you're posting the 2 in the same channel, that channel will be like, you're going to destroy your YouTube channel, especially if one short goes viral. Shorts, like that period I opened my YouTube channel, the first month I opened my YouTube channel, I was getting 10 views, 5 views, like very, very low views. But when I uploaded the short, I got up to 400 views. I was so happy. Like I got up to 400 views. So for short videos to go viral, it's not actually hard for it. It can go viral. So if you're posting your shorts, that short can go viral, especially if you're mostly posting long form content. Like what I mean is, for example, now if you're posting long form content, you deal on long form content, then you decided to just post a short for just, you know, just to guide people to watch your long form content, then that shorts can go viral. It can get up to 100k views and your subscriber count will increase. And when it increases, just know that those long form videos that you created, nobody will watch it whenever you're posting it. Nobody will watch it because the subscribers you got, they are mostly interested in shorts. That was why they subscribed. So you have to switch to shorts. That is the truth. So create 2 YouTube channels if you want to like make money from YouTube. If you're serious about earning a living from YouTube, create 2 YouTube channels, one for shorts and one for long form content. So how much do shorts pay? I'm not going to tell you the exact amount shorts pay, because I wouldn't say I work with YouTube, no. But the truth is, according to the research I've made, I just know that for a fact that those that create long form videos earn more than those that create short videos. That is the truth. Yesterday I was on Twitter. I saw 2 YouTubers arguing on X, not Twitter, on X. They were arguing. So one of them creates shorts and one of them creates long form content. The one that creates shorts, he has over 5 million subscribers. He has over 100 and something million views. He has, like, you know, high numbers. But his estimated revenue was very, very low. It was just $12,000. I know $12,000 is a huge amount of money. Like, it can change so many people's lives. Honestly, it's a big money. But for him to have millions of views and millions of subscribers and just having 12k dollars as his revenue, like, it doesn't add up. Do you get? But the one that creates long form content, he only has like 200,000 subscribers and his views is not even up to it's not even up to 5 million. But his estimated revenue is up to 20 something thousand dollars. Like, can you imagine the difference? So imagine if that guy that creates shorts, imagine if he switches to long form content and he's getting that amount of views from his long form content, then his money will be very, very high. But because he's creating shorts, you know, short videos, the truth is you can actually ask Google to, like, what do shorts, people that create shorts, what do they earn? Google will let you know. You're going to know the exact amount they earn. But the truth is that those that create long form content, they earn more than those that create short videos. They earn more than them. That's the honest truth. So if you want to make a living, if you're serious about making money from YouTube, if you want to turn your YouTube into a money making machine, I would advise you to switch to long form content. Start creating long form content. Forget about shorts. You can create shorts if you want, That is, if you like, if you're not serious, like if you're just creating videos for fun, like you don't plan on making money from YouTube, you can be posting your short and long form content if you want. But if you want to make money, if you want your YouTube channel to be your money making machine, just focus on one particular type of video content, which is long form content, because shorts will not give you that amount you're looking for. Focus on long form content. But there are some niches that you can do that even if you're posting your long form and your short form content, people will still watch it equally. Like there are so many niches that you can do. It depends. So I'm going to just share like 3 for you guys. So we have the cooking niche. You know, for example, you can post a short video on you preparing a meal. When somebody watches that short video, they might be interested in knowing how to cook that meal, so they will click and watch the long form content of that video just to learn how to prepare that meal. Then we have the stand-up comedy. You can select a part from your stand-up comedy and post as shorts. When somebody watches it, they might be interested in watching the long form content. Then we have the podcast. You know, podcast, all this discussion, roundtable discussion and all that. They will be in a room talking about stuffs. You can post a part from your podcast as shorts, and people will see it and be interested in watching the long form content of it. So that is it about shorts. Shorts can be used to get views, it can be used to get subscribers and all that, but it won't give you that kind of money you're looking for. It will give you lots and lots of audience, viewers and all that, but it won't give you that amount of money you're looking for, especially if you focus mostly on shorts. So just do the right thing, and you know your channel will start getting the recognition it deserves. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. If you watched me to this point, subscribe. Let's hit 500 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.